Hello guys and welcome back for another tutorial. Today I will show you how to get a Google Maps API key and how to use it. Now this tutorial will be very easy and straightforward. You will just need to follow these few simple steps. So let's get straight into it. Now the first thing you have to do is to obviously go on Google and then search for the Google Maps API key. So once you click on Google Maps API key, you will find yourself on this page. You will find a lot of results, right? So here you will need to click on set up the Maps JavaScript API. Now here, once you click on the Maps JavaScript API, you will find yourself on this little guide to set up the API basically. So here ensure that you meet the prerequisites first. So let's click on it. And then here you can just go through all of this. Now the most important thing is that you have a Google Cloud Console. So click on a Google Cloud account and make one if you don't. And then here you can sign into your Google Cloud Console. Now you will have to pay for the API because as you may know, it is paid. Basically, you cannot get it for free. So here to enable the Maps JavaScript API, you'll just have to click on this button once you have made your Google Cloud account. So here you will find the page with the Maps JavaScript API. Here you will have a enable button, but I have already enabled it, so I can only manage it here. So if you want, you can follow this guide too. But it is very easy. Once you get the API key, you will have to put it in your code in your website, and that's it. You'll have to get it in the code, the specific part of the JavaScript file where you have the API keys. And that's it. Basically, that's how you do it. It's very easy. The most important step is just to pay for the API. Basically, how it works, you will just have to pay the API every time you make a request. You will have to pay for it, and that's it. That's like a subscription-based model. So that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to like and subscribe if it helped you.